My favorite part of today was Maboneng because, well, obviously Maboneng is my favorite place to go all the time. So I really enjoyed coming to Maboneng and taking photos of the street art and just walking around and taking pictures of everything you see and everything that stands out to you. Well, me. Yeah. Well, what did I learn? I learned how to use my phone to take pictures off my camera and transfer it onto my phone, and importing was super quick, and I was very surprised at how quickly everything was actually done. I felt superior because of how quickly it could have been, how quickly it was done, and yeah, how nicely the pictures came out. That's all I have to say for today.